Hey, you little stinkers. Welcome back. Thank you so much for watching. So today I had a little bit of time and I thought, why not show you how to do a fishtail? Fishtails are so easy, but they look so hard. I honestly think they're easier than a 3-strand braid. So please hang with me. I know I'm in my car right now, but you know, when in Rome, or, you know, when in Phoenix, it's hot as balls outside right now. It's like 110, so it feels much better inside the car. So I wanted to show you this really quick, because I know there's a lot of people who don't know how to do this, and I think everyone should know how to do a simple fishtail braid. And you can make them super messy or polished, but I kind of prefer them messy. I think they look like very bohemian. And these are perfect just for, like, you know, a birthday party, going out, watching your kids, or if you're gonna be like proposed to, something like that. So, okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is grab 2 sections of hair. So that's all we're working with, is just 2 sections of hair. So easy, right? Okay, so I'm just gonna do a side one. So I'm gonna grab 2 sections. All right, like, shut up, Jesse. You already said that like a million times. 2 sections. Okay, and you're gonna grab a little piece of hair from either side. I'm gonna grab a little piece of hair from this side. And I hope you can see this, you guys. Sorry the lighting's so bad. I'm saying that in every video. Sorry the lighting's so bad. And you're gonna bring it around the back and join it to this side. So easy, right? So, and then I'm gonna do the exact opposite on this side, right here. So I'm gonna grab a little piece and I'm gonna join it with the other one. So it's kind of like welcoming other people into the group. It's kind of like, okay, you know what? I welcome you over here. I accept you. That was a weird, like, analogy. Okay, grab one over here, bring it to the other side. Okay, grab another little piece on the opposite side. And that's all you're gonna do. It's like, just bring a little piece from one side, bring it around and join it with the other side. And if you're anything like me, the hand techniques, it's so awkward at first. Like, for me, it's getting used to the hand technique, and then it's fine. So, but yeah, just doing that. Bringing it to the other side. And this braid actually is kind of time consuming. Just because you're working with really small pieces of hair. So it takes, if you have long hair, like this braid, I would at least plan like a weekend for it. I'm just kidding. No, it doesn't take that long, but it's a lot longer than, I would say a little bit longer than a regular 3-strand braid. So hope you're able to see all this. So grabbing a piece from this side, bringing it over here. And you can totally vary the little pieces sizes. It's actually cool when you mix them up. Like, you grab like a bigger piece, and then you grab like a little one like this. So I love that. I think it looks so cool. It's like very bohemian. And all right. Very like Coachella. And if you can't afford to go to Coachella like me, like, you can pretend that you like, you still look the part, you know, with this fishtail. So, all right. Grab a little piece, bring it on over. So, and then I want to show you what you do when you're done. And, you know, like most people would probably have a little rubber band in their car, or like a hair tie. I just have my little phone cord thing. That's what I call it, a little phone cord. So my like invisibobble. So I'll show you what to do here. This part's very important. So just gonna tie it. It looks crazy right now, but trust me. So it's gonna look amazing. My gosh, there's a really cute guy right now, like looking at me, like actually staring at me. He's a little jealous because he probably doesn't know how to do a fishtail, but hopefully he'll watch this video and learn. So, okay, I'm gonna tie it like that, and then you're not done. So you need to start from the top and kind of fluff it out just so it looks so much bigger. It's gonna look full and just voluminous. So you don't ever wanna leave a braid just like how it is. You wanna kind of like work with it. And if I had some like volume spray, I would spray that in too. So So cool, right? But I hope this is something guys start doing too, so sorry ladies, I'm joining the club. Okay, so kind of like started from the bottom now here, except you're gonna start from the top. Start from the top and work down. So kind of like started from the bottom, but not really like that at all. So I hope you guys enjoy, guys and gals, and please let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see in the comments. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.